Welcome to Smart Knowledge, English Preposition Test. If you pass this test, your English is fantastic. Let's get started. She is afraid of spiders. The cat is hiding under the table. He arrived in the airport early. We are going on vacation next week. I was born in July. The book is on the shelf. He is sitting at his desk. I usually go to school by bus. She is married to a doctor. They walk through the park. The train goes through the tunnel. He fell asleep during the movie. She put the keys into her bag. We stayed at home because of the rain. I waited for 30 minutes. He has been living here since 2015. Please speak in a low voice. The plane flew above the clouds. The children are playing in the garden. They live on a farm. He shouted at me angrily. She is good at dancing. The dog jumped over the wall. My brother is interested in science. We met at the cinema.